black color, red color, purple color, orange color, green color, gray color, yellow color, yellow ochre color, and pink color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E, the alphabets of E, and use blue color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use pink color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. It's now you draw L and use black color. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. It's now you draw O and use green color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now you draw S and use purple color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use orange color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Brown color, black color, blue color, light green color, dark blue color, dark green color, yellow color, and red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.